The world of electronics is changing faster than ever. Circuits are getting smarter, machines are beginning to think. And artificial intelligence is no longer a distant dream. It's here, right inside our devices. But as technology advances, one big question remains. Will AI replace electronics engineers? Or will it make us more powerful than ever before? Imagine a world where every device, from your phone to your fridge, can think, learn, and adapt. That's not fiction. It's happening right now. Artificial intelligence has found its home inside electronics. From AI-powered circuit breakers that predict faults, to self-learning robots in factories, we're witnessing the birth of a new electronic age. Billions of tiny sensors now talk to each other through the Internet of Things. They measure, analyze, and make decisions, sometimes faster than humans ever could. A simple temperature sensor can now trigger an entire smart grid reaction. That's not just engineering, that's evolution. Electronics is also going green. Power systems are becoming smarter and more efficient, thanks to AI. From solar inverters that predict sunlight patterns, to EV chargers that optimize battery life, artificial intelligence is redefining how we generate and use energy. Embedded systems are no longer just about code and hardware. They now think on their own. Edge computing allows devices to process data locally, right where it's needed, without waiting for the cloud. That means faster response, smarter systems, and a new frontier for engineers to explore. But here's the truth. Machines can calculate. AI can predict. Yet, creativity, innovation, and passion, those belong to us. No AI can replace the mind of an engineer who dreams of solving problems. The future doesn't belong to the machine. It belongs to the one who knows how to use it. So, will AI replace electronics engineers? Maybe some tasks, yes. But it will also open doors we've never imagined. The engineers of tomorrow won't just build circuits. They'll build intelligence, innovation, and a smarter planet. The question isn't, will AI replace us? The real question is, are we ready to evolve with it? This is Electro IQ. Exploring the future where technology and humanity meet. Subscribe and stay ahead of the change. Because the future of electronics begins with you.